Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Did you hear about Chanel flat bag price increase? As you know, last year there was a price increase of Chanel flat bags, especially classic bags. Up to 9% there was a price increase, but now, as of March 2023, there's another increase. But not just classic bag. So this is crazy. I'm gonna talk about price increase in USA, Canada, Europe, and in Europe, UK separately. Of course, Asia will have the price increase, I guess, but I don't have any information about Asia yet. So I will update if I have any information going forward. For today, I'm gonna talk about US first and then Canada and Europe. So USA, they increased 16 to 17%. In USA, there was price increase for classic flat bag, 19 bag, 22 bag, small hobo bag, and reissue 2.55. First, classic small size flat bag used to be 8,200 last August, but then now it became 9,600. US dollar 1,400 was increased. Classic flat bag starts from 10K now, which is crazy. And classic medium flat bag is now 10K, literally 10K. It was like 8,800 before. Now it's US dollar 1,400 increase, which is 16% compared to last year. And classic large size used to be 9,500 last year. Now it became 11K. It increased 16%, which is US dollar 1,500. So I really don't like this classic flat bag price. The reason they are increasing classic flat bag is the reseller buying Chanel bag and sell it as like over 10K. Even small size, right? So I think they are trying to catch up the price of reseller market. So I understand what they are trying to do. And in USA, 22 bag used to be 5,300 last year, but now it increased about 9%. So now it's like 5,800, which is almost 6K in USA dollars. And 19 bag also increased. So 19 medium size used to be 5,700, but now it increased like 12%. So it became 6,400. And large size bag was 6,300. But it increased 8%, so it became 6,800. And 19 bag maxi size used to be 6,900, but it became 7,500, which is like almost 9% increased. This is so bad. Also, 2.55 reissue bag. The mini size, medium size, large size all increased about 10 to 15%. So 2.55 reissue mini size bag was 4,400, but now it became 4,900. So like $500 increase. And the reissue medium size was 8,800 last year. Now it became 10K. $10,200, 16% increased. And reissue large size was $9,500 last year. Now it became 11K in USA dollar. So I thought that's it in USA for price increase, but I was checking mini flat bag as well. Rectangular mini and square mini, it used to be 4,400, right? But now I check again USA homepage, it became from 4,400, the square mini became 4,700. So mini flat bag classic line also increased. Shocking news. And rectangular mini also used to be 4,400, but now it became 4,900, which is almost $5,000. So pretty much everything increased except seasonal bags. So I don't know. So this was USA. And let me talk about Canada. So in Canada, of course, classic line increased. Classic small flat bag used to be Canadian dollar like 10K. Now it's like 12K. So it's like increased almost 2,000 Canadian dollar, which is like 18% for small classic flat bag. This is crazy. And classic medium flat used to be 11K in Canadian dollar. Now it became 12K. In Canadian dollar. So almost 1,700 Canadian dollar increase for medium classic flat bag. And classic large flat bag used to be 12K. Now it became like 14K Canadian dollar. Can you believe? I don't think this makes sense to me because they increased this large size almost 2,000 Canadian dollar, which is 16%. I don't know, this is insane. Also in Canada, mini flat bags price was increased as well. For example, classic square mini used to be 5,000 in Canadian dollar, but now it's at 6,000 in Canadian dollar. So 17% increased for the square mini. And rectangular mini in Canada, it used to be $5,350. Now it became $6,200 in Canada, in Canadian dollar. So almost like 900 Canadian dollar increased. Also, wallet on chain, WOC, increased. Usually, WOC is not increased. I think in USA, they didn't increase yet for wallet on chain, but in Canada, they increased almost 17%. So it used to be $3,600. Now it became $4,225. So it's like $600 increase for WOC, which is crazy. But this is not all. In Europe, probably Asia as well, all increased. So I will talk about Chanel flat bag price increase in Europe and among Europe, UK separately. The Europe price increased classic bags, square mini, wallet on chain, 19 bag, 22 bag, small hobo bag, top handle bag, boy bag, and reissue 2.55. These are all increased in Europe. So let me talk about one by one. So in Europe, basically classic flat bags increased. Classic small flat bag used to be 8,450 euro. Now it became 9,300 euro, which is like almost 900 euro increase, 10% for small flat bag. Also in Europe, classic medium flat bag used to be 9,000 euro. Now it's almost 10k, which is 9,700 euro. So 700 euro increased for the medium classic flat bag. Also, classic mini square bag used to be 4,000 euro. Now it became 4,500 euro. I can't believe they are increasing mini classic bags as well. And classic wallet on chain, which is WOC, it used to be about 3,000 euro. Now it became 3,200 euro. In Europe, 22 bag used to be 5,350 euro. Now it's almost 6,000 euro, 5,800 euro. And small hobo bag in Europe, it used to be 4,200 euro. Now it became 4,550 euro. So like 8% increased as well. And for the top handle bags in Europe, mini flat bag with top handle used to be 4,750 euro. Now 5,150 euro. And 19 bag boy bag, reissue bag in Europe all increased. So 19 bag medium size became 6,100 euro, and 19 large size flat bag in Europe became 6,700 euro, and 19 maxi flat bag in Europe became 7,350 euro. Everything is over 6,000 euro for the 19 bag. And boy bag as well. Boy mini size is now 5,650 euro. And boy small size in Europe is now 5,750. So it's like 5% increase. And boy medium size in Europe used to be 5,900 euro last year. Now it became 6,350 euro, which is like almost 7% increase. Wow, it's crazy. And in Europe, reissue bags, 2.55 mini reissue bag is now 4,700 euro, which is like 8% increase. And 2.55 medium size is now 9,700, which is like 8% increase. And 2.55 large size is now 10k, same as classic bags. It's crazy. Bye bye boy bag as well. So in Europe, including classic bags, so many bags increased the price. So it's crazy. Now, among Europe, we're gonna talk about UK. In UK, classic bags and also 19 bag, 22 bag, small hobo bag, boy bag, reissue bag also increased. But seems like in UK, mini bags, classic line still stay in same price. So in UK, classic small flat bag used to be 7,000 pounds, but now it became 8,180 pounds, which is almost 1,000 pound increase for small classic flat bag. Oh my god. And classic medium flat bag used to be 7,550 pounds, but now it became 8,530 pounds. It's like almost 1,000 pound increase for medium flat bag as well. Large size classic flat bag used to be 8,140 pounds. Now it became 9,240 pounds. And small hobo bag used to be 3,650 pounds. Now it became 4,000 pounds. Almost 10% increased for small hobo bag. And in UK, 19 bags are all increased as well. 19 bag used to be 4,750 pound. Now it became 5,360 pound, which is like 13% increased. 19 large size flat bag used to be 5,200 pound. Now it became almost 6,000 pound. So like 13% increase. It's crazy, yeah. And 19 maxi size became 6,450 pound. Oh, and there is a boy bag and reissue as well. So boy bag mini size is now 4,490 pound. And small boy bag in UK is now 5,060 pound. So like about 11% increase. And medium size boy bag used to be 5,000 pound. Now it became 5,580 pound. So it's like 12% increase. Yeah, and there's a reissue as well. It's endless. Yeah, reissue in UK 2.55 mini size is now 4,130 pound, like 13% increased. And 2.55 medium size in UK is now 8,530 pound, which is like 13% increase again. And large size also increased 13%, so it became 9,240 pound. So I'm not sure I'm gonna buy any of these increased price flat bags going forward, but I will try my best to introduce new design seasonal bag. Even though I don't purchase any bag, I'll try my best, but I am not willing to buy any Chanel bag except maybe some cute or like good seasonal bags. So that's it for the price increase. So yeah, good luck for you guys who wanna get another Chanel flat bag. I am not sure I'm gonna get, but yeah, I will try my best to introduce new season bags. Yeah, every season. We'll see. I hope you enjoyed and see you in next video. Bye.